Magic milk, surface tension at its finest. Miss Brown, video 5. Surface tension. Water molecules hold on tightly to each other. They don't want to separate. They especially cling to each other at the surface because there's no water molecules on the other side of them to grab onto. The water molecules on that surface holds on to each other so tightly that skin seems to form on the surface. Just like the drops on the penny. Remember this? That's why some insects or small creatures can walk on water, just like the water strider. Surfactant is any type of solvent, liquid or gas, that breaks down or lowers the surface tension of water. Interesting facts about surfactants. Whether washing clothes, cleansing your face, or doing a load of laundry, surfactants makes cleaners work better. Surfactants are compounds used in an array of cleaning products for their ability to lower the surface tension of water, in essence, making the molecules slippier, so they are less likely to stick to themselves and more likely to interact with oil and grease. Beyond soaps and detergents, surfactants are used in lubricants, inks, anti-fogging liquids, herbicides, adhesives, and fabric softeners. Our investigation: what household products contain a surfactant that breaks down surface tension? For our investigation, we will need a quart of 2% milk, some Q-tips, 5 shallow pans, like pie pans, at least 3 different colors of food coloring, some dish detergent, vegetable oil, a lubricant such as WD-40, some sugar, and super glue. If you don't have these products at home, you may use anything around your house, but ask an adult for help locating different products. You could try other things like baby oil, bath soap, shampoo, fabric softener, salt, laundry detergent. Hello, welcome back. Of course, I'm Miss Brown, science teacher at the Boys and Girls Club. Thanks for continuing to watch my videos. I do have an announcement to make. This probably will be the last video because beginning Monday, May the 4th, I will be at the club from 11 to 1 every day doing some very short projects. So when you stop in and grab your lunch, you can visit me doing some kind of special project. It will be science. It will be short. You can't stay for a long time, but you can stop in for a very short demonstration on something. So join me. Come every day. Stick your hand in, sit for 2 or 3 minutes, see something special, and then come back. You'll be receiving your packets every day. So if you stop in and get some lunch, you watch the demonstration, I'll give you the packet, and you can go home and try the experiment yourself. So today we are going to do a very fun activity, and it's a pretty activity. So this is called Magic Milk, and it is all about surface tension. We had a couple of videos about surface tension already, but I saved the best for last. So this actual video is about different products or different things that could break the surface tension of water. And our word for the day is surfactant. Surfactant is any type of solvent, what could be liquid or gas, that breaks down or lowers. It could break it all the way down, but at least it will lower the surface tension on water. Now, surfactant, that's kind of a funny word, but surfactants are added to different things. A lot of it is like cleansing, cleaning products, like dish soap, washing soap. It could be in some kind of lubricant. Today we're going to use WD-40 as a lubricant. We're going to try it and see if it works. We're going to be using Dawn dish detergent. We're going to be using vegetable oil and super glue. And we're also going to be using sugar water. We're going to try that. So let's start off with 5 pans of milk. It's better to use 2% milk because it don't have a lot of fat content in it. So it's real close to just the surface of water. And you're going to put 3 to 4 drops of food, of different colors of food coloring. Now, in this, I put 2 drops. If you look, it's just floating there. So I saved this one pan so you can see how I did it. I just dropped 2 drops. Now I have 4 colors because I already had them. But you need at least 3. 4. You can put more than 2 drops, but if you don't have a lot of food coloring, I would put just 2. If you have quite a bit of food coloring, you can add more than 2. And you also need some Q-tips because that's how we're going to submerge the surfactant into the milk. Our question is, what type of products, household products, contain surfactants? Remember, surfactant is anything that can break the surface tension of water. So we're going to start out with some dish detergent. And we're going to dip our Q-tip into the dish detergent, and we're going to just dip it into the milk. You don't stir it, you don't shake it up, you just stick it in there, and let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. So, dish detergent contains a surfactant because it pushed the food coloring away. How about that? Did not look beautiful? Now, let's try some vegetable oil. These are just some things I had at my house. If you don't have these products at your house, get your parents to help you find something around your house. It doesn't have to be any of the things I've listed here. You could try different things. Some things don't contain a surfactant, but this is a way to find out if it does. Now this is just regular vegetable oil. Does it contain a surfactant? We're going to find out. It has to go to a different container each time. How about that? This did not contain a surfactant. I thought it probably would have. Now we're going to try some WD-40. Most of your dads usually has this in their garage or wherever he does a lot of work at. This helps squeaky wheels quit squeaking. So we're going to try it. I'm going to spray this like right here. Well, my can don't work. Just keep shining it on that. I'm going to get another can. I happen to have another can right here. So, let's try that again. Sorry. Should have tested it before I started my video. This is WD-40. It's pushing it very slowly, but it is pushing it a little bit. So, a can of WD-40 or a lubricant like this is the same thing, it's just a different brand, contain some surfactant. Not much, but it does contain a surfactant. Now, we're going to try some, it said that adhesives. Now, super glue is an adhesive. Adhesive makes things stick together. So, we're going to try it. Get it out of there. There it comes. It's going to be stuck to my plate, but anything for science. How about that? This is super glue. It is an adhesive. Let's try it. Well, super glue apparently does not contain a surfactant. Look at there. Maybe it does a little bit. It's moving it around. But nothing like the dish detergent, huh? And then we're going to do something that probably does not have a surfactant because it's a food product. This is sugar water. I wanted to give you something that did not have a surfactant in. So, some of the products I chose did not have. I'm going to wet my Q-tip first so my sugar will stick to it. You could try salt. You could try lemon juice. You could try anything just to test it, just to see if it has a surfactant. I don't believe sugar water is going to have a surfactant in it. Let's see, I may be wrong. I was right. It did not. So, which one worked the best? This dish detergent, which is a soap, has a lot of surfactant in it. And that's why it creates bubbles. So, I'm going to let you see that again. On one of these that did not have surfactant in it, I am going to do it again. We used dish soap before when we did a water strider investigation. Remember that? Let's try it right here because I know sugar water did not have a surfactant. This is Dawn. Oh, look at there. It just dripped in there. Dawn dish detergent. That's just amazing to me. How beautiful it looked. And we have one more right here. How about that? It doesn't matter what brand of dish detergent you use. Um, they all dish detergents I know has a surfactant in it. So our results to our investigation is some things have surfactants, some things do not. If it is a soap, it contains a surfactant. The lubricant, which is WD-40, contained a surfactant. The super glue, just a little bit. Not, I wouldn't even say it had much of any in it. The sugar water did not. I hope you understand more about surfactants and breaking down water surface tension. And remember, beginning May 4th, I will be at the Boys and Girls Club from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock doing short demonstrations. Come grab some lunch, watch the experiments or the demonstrations, go home and try it yourself with the packets that I give you. Remember, you guys, be safe. Have a great day. Top secret. When you do your experiment at home, try using a hand sanitizer as one of your products. It works really good. It actually looks like tadpoles swimming in the milk. It definitely has lots of surfactant in it. The results. Our investigation showed us that when a surfactant enters water, the surface tension is broken. When that happens in our investigation, the colors of the milk went crazy, moving around rapidly. When we added a product in it that did not contain a surfactant, the colors just stood still. Usually, food products do not contain a surfactant. Remember to be safe and keep your hands clean. Don't spread your germs. It's okay to remind your friends to stay a safe distance away from you. It's not rude. It's just being safe. Cover your coughs with your elbow and sanitize.